Hello everyone. Today I decided to show up myself as the first time in the video to have a better interaction with you. For every recommendation, please feel free to write them into the comment section. I definitely need your suggestion or comments to improve the channel. So let's get started with the first video together. We are going to have a delicious spicy food today, which is the chickpea wrap and the chickpea wrap. It is originally from Turkish cuisine, the region of the Gaziantep in Turkey. But we are going to have some slight changes in the recipe to make it richer in a sense of protein. And in the end, we will have the delicious and satisfying food. So, what are the ingredients? The main components will be the chickpea. We will have one onion, tomato, small potato, the wrap itself, you can make it yourself, but I just wanted to buy it from the market to make it the recipe faster. And also, we are going to use cottage cheese to make it richer in a sense of protein. So let's get it started with washing the chickpeas. We are going to use canned boiled chickpeas, and it needs to be washed first. 10 seconds will be enough, then drain the water. We are using 140 grams of chickpeas. So let's add 1 dessert spoon of paprika, then cumin, black pepper, red pepper, smoked paprika, which is my favorite one. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. It's time to mix up all the spices with the chickpeas. I will use air fryer for cooking the chickpeas, but you can choose to make it on the pan. If you are going to use air fryer, set the timer to 10 minutes. In here I choose 18, but I finished it around 9 or 10 minutes and 205 Celsius degrees. A small potato fried in a little oil will add a wonderful flavor in the wrap. You can skip it, but I definitely suggest you to add this potato. While the potatoes and chickpeas are cooking, let's prepare the tomatoes and onions. Both will be cut into thin slices. Because we have thin slices of potatoes, it will be cooked around 10 minutes. Be careful to not overcook. It is time to get chickpeas from the air fryer. 10 minutes will be enough to make it crispy. You can test it. If you need more, you can put it into the air fryer more. Potatoes are also ready. Don't forget to put them onto the paper towel to get extra oil from the potato. I will make the wrap with the whole grain. So here is the cottage cheese, has much more protein and lower fat. And this is gonna be like a sauce in the wrap. Spread it to the whole wrap. Place the chickpeas onto the cottage cheese. We are gonna make 2 portions of wrap, so you can think to take half of the chickpeas. Add some onions and tomatoes. And as a last component, we will add the potato. It is really hard to wrap with all of the components in the recipe, but you can think to get bigger wraps. It will be easier for you. Here is the funny thing that because I was so nervous in the video, I forgot to record all the audios. So in here I am talking very well, but you cannot hear me. Okay, to translate myself, I am mentioning here that it was much more delicious than I expect. It is super tasty and you should definitely give it a try. As you see, it is easy to make at home. I couldn't wait more, so I made and ate the second portion immediately in the video. Bon appetit to everyone. See you in the next videos. Adios.